Hello guys, and welcome back to the fifth part of this course. And in this one I'll be showing you guys how to use inputs in Python. So what does inputs in Python does? Inputs in Python literally allows the user to input a certain information. It can be the name, it can be a sentence, a text, whatever, and that information will be stored in a variable and can be used to do a lot of fun things. Create a new file and let's name this inputs. So in here you just want to put inputs just like this, and that's pretty much it. Okay, let's say we want to print inputs. Sorry, let's say we want to print inputs. Now let's get rid of this one over here. So when we print this, it would allow us type in things here in the terminal. We can type in something like, my name is Destiny and I love coding. Sorry for that. I love coding. So if you noticed, let's say this input wasn't here, and let's say we just want to print 1. If you notice, we can type in anything here because we are not given the opportunity, but inputs gives us the opportunity to type in something. Then ours will take that stuff and store it in a variable, use it to do amazing things. So let's just go ahead and show you guys some example. So the first thing I want to show you guys over here is define a variable. So I'm defining a variable name and inputs. So I've stored whatever that's going to go into this input in this variable over here, name. And take note, whatever you put in the input is what's going to be displayed in the terminal. I know you might not understand what I'm trying to say, but just follow along. Let's say I say something like enter name here. This is going to be like a placeholder to show you what to do. So when you run this, it says enter name here. Then you can enter your name, Destiny Franks, yeah, or you could enter your name, Karen Doe. Yeah, you could just do anything you want there. So whatever you put in here is what's gonna come over here as a placeholder, and hopefully you understand what I'm trying to say. So the next thing I want to explain to you guys is this is a function. This is a function, and this over here is a prompt. This is not an input. An input is what we're gonna type down here. This is an input. Now this stuff that I'm typing is an input. This one over here is a prompt. Then this one is a function. This one is a variable. Hopefully you understand what I'm trying to say. So with all this, we want to go ahead and do some pretty good things. First of all, I want to say print, then open up a string, say hello, then I want to say plus name. So let's go ahead and run this. So it says enter name here, then I want to enter Destiny Franks, then run this. It says hello Destiny Franks. Isn't this really amazing? Oh my god, this is awesome. Now your program can actually detect that you want to put in something, and whatever you put in, that's what it's gonna greet you with. Okay, let's say I want to put in something like let's just think of a name. Let's say Mike. Then it will say hello Mike. Okay, I said Mike, then let's enter, and it says hello Mike. So this is pretty much what's input does for you. Then we want to go ahead and do some pretty complex things with inputs. Although take note, they are not really going to be complex, but let's just go ahead and do something. So let's get rid of this one over here. They want to define the variable age and set this to inputs. Then want to say enter your age here. Then this one should be enter your name here. Then down here we want to take a print statement, and this print statement is gonna say hello, and it's gonna say hello plus name. Open up, concatenate again, and let me just clean this so you understand what I'm saying. I opened up a string, I said hello, I gave a space, went out of the string, concatenated twice, came into the concatenation, then I typed in name, which is the variable we used for storing the inputs that the user is going to enter as a name. Then out here I opened up a quotation marks again, and I said you are. I came out, I concatenated again, then I said you are age. Then out here I open up double quotation mark, I said years old. So this is a pretty long program, and I hope this works. Let's just go ahead and run this. Now it says enter name here. When we enter our name, Destiny Franks, enter your age, I'm 20. Then it says hello Destiny Franks, you are 20 years old. Then you could just go ahead and space all this so it looks fine. Now let's run this again, and let's say you want to pull Jane Doe. Her age, let's say she's 40. Then it says hello Jane Doe, you are 40 years old. So we could go ahead and space this one too. Then let's say I want to put in your name, and I don't know, let's just say your name is Tom, Tim, Henry, whatever. Okay, let's say name Henry Thomas. Is that how to spell Thomas? Then let's say you are 20 years old. Now it says hello Henry Thomas, you are 20 years old. So this is a pretty good language that we have written over here. That's just collect inputs from user, give it to us the programmer, we store it in a variable, then we use it to do some important and fun things. So that's pretty much it for input, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us grow, and comment your thoughts on this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope I'll see you in the next video where we will be building a calculator. Bye.